Hello and welcome back to the Admin for You training channel. If you're looking to streamline your enrollment process and gain valuable insights into your child care center, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, we'll be going to dive into the features and benefits of the Child Care Center Enrollment Tracker, an Excel-based tool designed to streamline how you manage your child care center's enrollment. Let's get started by getting to know the features and benefits of the Child Care Enrollment Workbook. The Master Enrollment List is your hub for tracking all of your students in just one centralized location. Say goodbye to shuffling through papers and multiple spreadsheets because now all of your students' information can effortlessly be managed in just one place. Plus, there's a dedicated section that showcases the total enrollment by classroom. This feature allows you to monitor capacity and make informed decisions for classroom allocations. Moving on to the Birthday List Report tab. This tab provides you with valuable insights into each child's birth date. Why is this important? It facilitates the smooth transition of children from one classroom to another based on their developmental needs. The real power of the Child Care Enrollment Tracker lies in its classroom enrollment dashboard, where you'll find dynamic reports and visually appealing graphs. These tools offer a comprehensive overview of total enrollment by classrooms, enabling you to identify trends, forecast future needs, and make data driven decisions. The dashboard provides valuable insights into enrollment availability, helping you effectively manage capacity and optimize resource allocation. Let's take just a moment to familiarize ourselves with the Master Enrollment List. The upper right-hand corner is the Classroom Name Manager. Now, this is where you'll manage all the names for your classrooms. Keep in mind that data that's entered here also updates throughout the entire workbook. The upper left-hand corner is where you'll find the enrollment count by classroom, providing a total count of all children enrolled in each individual classroom. This section also provides an overall count of all students enrolled in all classrooms. There's an easy navigation button. Simply click the button to quickly bring you to the first record on the enrollment list. This will become especially convenient to use as your master enrollment list grows. The data you enter in the student information area will automatically update on all reports throughout your workbook. The Child Care Schedule area allows you to track what days each student is enrolled for childcare. This is what provides the at-a-glance insights on the dashboard page to show you what days you have openings for enrollment. The Child's Age section auto-calculates the student age in both years and in months. This is based on what you've entered for the student's birthday in the Student Information section. Of note is that the age conversion from months to years is rounded to the nearest whole year. Please see the provided examples for clarification. All right, now that you know your way around your workbook, let's begin by personalizing the master enrollment list. First, enter your child care center name in the space provided. Then, customize classroom names in the Classroom Name Manager. To update, click in the cell and enter a new value. One important thing to remember is that classroom names are always managed in the Classroom Name Manager. So, if you need to make a change to a classroom name in the future, you'll need to update any records that were previously assigned the old value in order to ensure accurate reporting on your dashboard reports. You're now ready to enter and maintain student records. It's important to keep in mind the following when doing so. Be sure to assign each student an enrollment status. Only students with active status will be counted in reports throughout your workbook. When entering student birthdays, be sure to include the month, day, and year of birth. Each student must be assigned to a classroom. Be sure to use the drop-down list of values for classroom assignments. Also, remember that if classroom names are changed, you'll need to update each student assigned to the old value with the updated classroom name. Be sure to assign a daily attendance schedule for each student. This is especially important to ensure that your dashboard reports are reporting enrollment and availability accurately. To maintain records, make update as needed and appropriate. However, do not delete student records. If a student is unenrolled, update the record by assigning the status of inactive. This will maintain the student's record of enrollment, but it will exclude them from any current reporting. You can use filters to manage the view of your master enrollment list. For example, in the header bar for Enrollment Status column, click on the filter button and a list of available options to select will appear. To view only active records, deselect Inactive, leaving only active and blanks checked. Select OK and the result will show only active records and blank lines. To remove the filter, just make sure the Select All option is checked. This use of filters can be utilized on any column on this worksheet. You can use these filters to create printable enrollment lists for each classroom. To do this, for enrollment status, select only active students, then select the classroom assignment. This will allow for printing of only active records assigned to any particular classroom. There's only one manual task required for the birthday list report, and that's to refresh the data. To refresh, place the cursor in the yellow cell, right-click your mouse, and select Refresh. This will ensure you have all active records included on the list. You can use filter buttons to narrow the results of the birthday list to just one classroom or a selection of multiple classrooms. To make more than one selection, hold your control button down and make your desired selections. Then, to clear the filters, select the Clear Filter button to remove the filters. Before we review the features and benefits of your dashboard, it's important to note that you may need to update the maximum student capacity values. By default, the workbook will be delivered with this set to 20 students. If you do need to update, you would just need to click in the cell and type in the updated value. Your dashboard features a comprehensive overview of total enrollment by classrooms and current enrollment availability. The graph at the top offers a quick visual of total enrollment by classroom by weekday. The two tables below the graph provide a quick and detailed insight into current enrollment and availability by day. The individual classroom tables provide an at-a-glance view of all classrooms. Remember to review and maintain maximum student capacity values in these sections. Your reports are formatted for easy printing on standard 8.5 by 11 paper. That completes our training for today. The workbook contains a full set of instructions for everything we've covered in today's video, but please don't hesitate to reach out if you have questions. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.